The Mexican Sunstone is a late post-classical Mexican sculpture, Mexica sculpture, carved shortly before the Spanish conquest. This sunstone represents time itself as created and destroyed by the gods, portraying the essence of the Mexica cosmological order. It was rediscovered by chance on December 17, 1790, buried in the south face of Plaza Mayor in Mexico City. And we've actually been to Plaza Mayor. Let's see, the stone's on the other side. I'll show it to you. We've actually been to Plaza Mayor, so you can see our videos of Plaza Mayor. They should be linked somewhere around here. Currently, it is Dia de Muertos, so we have this giant Katrina. That's amazing. And we are in the Felipe something airport. And this is the Sunstone. How cool is that? Can you imagine digging something up like this? This was rediscovered by digging it up. And while we were out at Plaza Mayor, somebody was actually doing some excavation work out there, and he was digging things up. And Plaza Mayor is right in the middle of the city. What is this airport called? Right in the San Felipe. San Felipe. But the Plaza Mayor is right in the city at
the biggest airport we've ever been to.
At Zócalo, downtown. And it is the Mexica people that lived in Mexico City many, many, many years ago. Like in the, I don't know.
Before the colonizers came here.
Right. Before the revolution.
Pre-Spaniards.
That's right. So, but this is amazing. Can you imagine digging something up like this? Look how detailed it is. It's amazing. Representing time itself. Super cool. It's huge. Look at the people. And they made it into a really cool little fountain. Very neat. Check out all our videos from Mexico City. Thanks for watching The Adventures of Drew and Amanda. Don't forget to like and subscribe.